So in today's video, I'm gonna give you guys a review of the Temu blue light glasses and are they really worth it. So right now I'm in the Temu app. They have three colors. They're all the same sizes, and they are for around in my country around 400 rupees. And by the reviews of it, almost the average rating is 4.6 out of 5 stars, and almost all of them are saying that they are amazing and help them from their eye strain relief, and basically help them from their eyesight getting damaged by using a lot of laptops or screens. And yeah, so overall, I recommend this product. By reading the reviews, I say that it is an amazing product to buy, and the final verdict is that it is really worth it to buy. It is really worth it to buy the blue light glasses. So yeah, thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.